Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to log in as a guest in Apex Legends Mobile. So as you can see right here, I'm logged in on my Google account, and in order to log out we'll need to press on our settings and from here click log out while you're in the basic options. Now we'll need to wait till the loading screen actually is complete, and right here we can see it. Click on the more options and select guest. And that way you'll be able to log in as a guest account. From here you can just set up your account as normal. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.